Hey guys, how you doing? Just a reminder how hot Vegas is. 4 o'clock, 107. So, every time I come to the car wash and bring the Maverick to the... Oh, even before, when I brought the Versa, now I have the Maverick. It shows me the temperature, which is 107 right now. After the bath, it drops down maybe 10 degrees, 10, 15 degrees. And then it'll go back up to whatever the temperature is outside. So, with that said, I know it's noisy. Let me show you how this low it's gone so far. 105, 104, 103. It'll go down. It'll keep on going down for a while. And then once I'm done, especially right now, I'm pretty much already at the end of the cycle. The last rinse. Then after here, the big blow dryers will come in and kick in. Look at that. 20 degrees low. 21. Alright. I'm going to pause it a little bit. I'm going to get dried off. They have like hand dry, people that hand dry it. And then I'm going to go and drive to the gym. I'm going to go to the gym right now and see how hot it really is. Alright, stay tuned. Once they're wet, it cools down. And then once it dries up, it's gonna start going back up. Wherever the sensor is, it's probably still wet and it's probably cooling down. I'll give it a moment, but I'm sure it's gonna start climbing. All right, so stay tuned. Oh, by the way, 92. I'm heading to the gym. I swear that I thought the rains were over. At least, look, I'm even stuttering. At least for this week. And I washed my car. It's nice and neat. I swear to God, this cloud was not there. Yep, that is rain falling down south of me. Maybe, I want to say 20 minutes away from me. It's down. There's this area called oh, and there's lightning too to top it all off. I don't know if you guys got that if there was lightning when you saw that, but it's not Anthem. It might be Anthem Highlands, but yep, it's probably a little bit further up there. Yeah, so car is gonna be a mess again. I didn't even get a chance to vacuum it because I didn't want to vacuum it right now. I have to like clean it up a little bit, then vacuum and all this stuff, organize the truck. But yeah, it's gonna get dirty. Crap. But on the bright note, on the good note, the real temperature is 102 so far. Let me show you. It is 102. So it went from 107 to 76 or 77 up to 102. So it's 102 degrees right now, officially. I'm just saying, my opinion. And the only reason why I don't think it's 107, even though it might feel that way, because the truck was sitting under the sun. I wasn't parked on the covered parking, so that's why it was in the sun all this time. So yeah, it's 102. I would say it probably is 107 because of the humidity that's gonna fall right now with all the rain. Yeah, it's probably is 107. You guys be safe. If you're in Vegas, be safe, because it's true. You guys seen it in the internet. It's true. There's rivers in LA. I mean, rivers in Las Vegas. So, yeah. If it does rain, you know what? I might do a tour around the area. I don't even have to go to the strip, even though that would be a good video to do. Like a little adventure, hence Lakers Adventure, to show you how crazy Vegas gets with like a good, nice 10-20 minute downpour. It'll be gone, sun will be nice and shiny, clouds will be nice and puffy, but it rained for like 10-20 minutes and all heck break loose, like floods everywhere. And humidity will go up. Right now I think it might be 15 or 20% humidity the last time I checked. But with this rain right here, just up in the mountains, like right, oh yeah, you guys can see it there, right behind me, that's probably gonna jack it up to bump it up to like 35-45% humidity. Anyway, you guys take care, have fun. Hey guys, doing? I got off work today. I took my work truck to the mechanic, to Ted Wayne. Walking home, my house or apartment house is about 1.5 miles. No big deal. I can walk it. Anyway, so it was raining. Not yesterday, day before. Downpour like nobody's business for a good 2-3 hours in the morning, off and on. And that reservoir that you saw back over there was about 10 feet high. As you can see, there's obviously steps. And I'm 5'1", 5'2", so let's just say I'm 5 feet. So the depth of that is at least 15 or 20 feet. And it was at least 5 feet high. I'm hoping, I really hope that it's gonna rain soon again. I think it's gonna rain next week. And obviously the clouds, that's one going southbound on Eastern. Clear, that's northbound. You could barely make out the mountains. But yeah, hopefully it rains next week. And if it does rain, because obviously we need it, because everybody knows that Lake Mead is dropping fairly quickly, but not that bad, because our last rainstorm, I don't know about this, like 2 days ago, but like about a month ago, it supposedly went up 2 feet, which is a good thing, but we need more. Car's waiting for me. Anyway, so I'm hoping next week we'll get some rain again. I'm hoping that the rain from 2 days ago helped a little bit. I'm hoping it rains next week so that we can get a good consistent rain for a couple days out of the week. If it's windy, sorry. Or if you can't hear me, sorry, but it's windy. Yeah. So just a little update. Gonna go home. Maybe have a nice quick workout. I'm probably gonna cut my hair today. Need it a little bit. And then I'm gonna get ready because there's a car show that Amanda wants to go, that I like to go, that Sebastian hasn't gone before. So that'll be our little adventure to end September and start off October on a good note. So yeah. Anyway, you guys take care, have fun, like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm almost there. Kind of like a little quick update from a past post I did, like October, November, maybe September, October. Anyway, so yeah, I think it was September, October. So in the past video I did, which is probably in continuation, I always, in other videos, I always say about the rains in Las Vegas. And then I stopped by this one little reservoir channel that goes near my neighborhood that was bone dry. So today is December, nope, it's not December, it's January 10th, 2023. Since then we've had rain here and there, a little bit here, a little bit there, but nothing as significant as right now. It's been raining consistently, in other words, off and on, but consistently for the past day or two. It'll rain for a good half hour, then it'll stop. Then later on the day or the next day it'll rain and they'll stop. I mean significantly because it doesn't really rain in Nevada. I'm in the desert, so the only time it does rain is when we have monsoon season, which starts around May-ish and ends around September. But since September till today, it's been off and on as if it was monsoon season, which it isn't. Just recently, during December, especially January, the beginning of this year, it's been more consistent. Specifically, now that there's a lot of rain going on in California, everybody's seen it in the news that certain parts of California on the coast, they're being evacuated because they're losing power, or there are mudslides, or some of the houses are leaking and whatnot. So it's not very safe. So right now, I'm sure you probably guys could hear it's raining down, not hard, but a good amount. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm heading to another school, another center that I take care of. Let's see, oh yeah. And then after that, I'm going to head home and I'm going to try to see if I can go back to that one reservoir slash channel where the water runs, to show you how fast it gets. In other words, how fast the water starts moving and how dangerous these little reservoirs are. After that, then I'm going to go pick up Sebastian from school. But just to let you know, I'm hoping we get more rain. In a way I hope we get more rain, because it'll help with the drought, both in California and specifically in Nevada, since Lake Mead is low in its numbers. Hopefully this will help. Of course, for it to be filled up again, it's gonna take a lot of rain, or a lot of snow in the mountains to get packed. So when it does melt, it'll also help fill the Lake Mead and get Hoover Dam operating a whole lot better than what it is right now. Anyway, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm heading over to one of my centers, and we'll talk later. Yep, that's where I am. All right, I'm not gonna stay here that long because it's starting to come down a little bit harder, and not only that, the wind is kicking in. I'm sure you guys could probably manage to listen to what I'm saying, but yeah, this is. Hold on, let me see if I can. Nope. There you go. This is probably, you know what? Let me get in the car. Woo! All right. So I'm going to end the video here because I purposely wanted to stop by here because earlier in this video, which was probably like I mentioned before, it was maybe September, October when you saw the empty reservoir or channel. It had rained before, but it was just light sprinkle rain, if that even makes sense. But now it's been, like I said, January 10th, it's been raining consistently for the past 3-4 days, off and on, to the point where it's been raining for like half hour, 45 minutes, or an hour and a half. That's more consistent than usual. So yeah, when it rains in Vegas. So if you guys are from Vegas, be careful. If you're not from Vegas and you're here on vacation, or not necessarily if you're thinking of moving to Vegas, if you are, that's good, no big deal. But just be careful out there in the streets when it's raining. It gets flooded every so often. You guys take care, have fun, and be safe out there.